Welcome. In front of me is an OPPO A15s, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset the device through settings. So to get started, obviously you will want to open up your settings application. From here, select additional settings, scroll down, and you should find backup and reset. And then select from the bottom, erase all data, factory reset, erase all data. And if you have some kind of PIN, pattern, password on your phone, you will need to confirm it. As you can see, I do have a pattern set, so simply draw the pattern. And from here I can select erase data, which will begin the process once it's confirmed again. So this will probably take a couple minutes to finish up. Just let it run through, and once it has, we should then be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.